Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting journey into the human body. I'm Miss Kathy, and today we're diving deep into a system that's as fascinating as it is essential, the excretory system. Just like a well-organized city needs a system for waste removal, our bodies rely on the excretory system to eliminate waste products. These products, if left unchecked, could be toxic and disrupt the delicate balance within us. Think of it like this. Imagine your body is a bustling city with millions of tiny citizens. Your cells. These cells are constantly working, producing energy and as a byproduct, waste. Just like any city, we need a system to collect and dispose of this waste efficiently. That's where our excretory system comes in, acting like a highly specialized sanitation department. Over the next hour, we'll explore how this system functions, its key players, and why it's crucial for our survival. So, buckle up, explorers, and get ready to uncover the intricate workings of your body's waste management team. We'll learn about the kidneys, those remarkable filtration units, and how they work tirelessly to maintain a stable internal environment, a state we call homeostasis. Prepare to be amazed by the interconnectedness of our organs and how they work together to keep us healthy. Let's start by understanding what the excretory system actually does. This system is responsible for removing metabolic waste from your body. Metabolic waste includes substances like urea, uric acid, and creatinine, which are byproducts of normal cellular processes. These waste products need to be eliminated because they can be harmful if they build up in the body. The excretory system doesn't just remove waste, it also plays a vital role in maintaining the body's fluid balance. This means it ensures that you have the right amount of water and electrolytes in your system to function properly. Think of it as a balancing act. The excretory system constantly monitors and adjusts the composition of your blood, ensuring it stays within a healthy range. Now, let's meet the key organs that make up this incredible waste management team. The kidneys are the stars of the show, acting as the body's filters. They remove waste products from the blood and produce urine. Then we have the ureters, which are thin tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. The bladder acts like a storage tank for urine until it's time to eliminate it. Finally, the urethra is the tube that carries urine from the bladder out of the body. The kidneys are truly remarkable organs. About the size of your fist, they work tirelessly, filtering your entire blood volume multiple times every hour. Located near the middle of your back, these bean-shaped powerhouses are essential for maintaining a stable internal environment, a state known as homeostasis. They achieve this by filtering waste products, regulating blood pressure, and controlling the production of red blood cells. Each kidney is made up of millions of tiny filtering units called nephrons. These nephrons are where the magic happens. Blood enters the nephron, and waste products are filtered out. The filtered blood, now clean and free of toxins, returns to circulation. Meanwhile, the waste products, along with excess water and electrolytes, form urine. But the kidney's role goes beyond just filtration. They also play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure by controlling the volume of fluids in the body. Additionally, they produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which stimulates the bone marrow to produce red blood cells. These red blood cells are essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body. The excretory system is a beautiful example of teamwork within the human body. Each organ plays a specific role, and they all work together seamlessly to ensure proper waste removal and fluid balance. Let's take a closer look at how these organs collaborate. The kidneys, as we've learned, are the filtration units, constantly cleaning your blood and producing urine. The ureters then step in, acting as a transportation system. These thin muscular tubes use peristalsis, a series of wave-like contractions, to propel urine from the kidneys to the bladder.